I noticed the other week when I was fitting my new rectifier regulator that the wiring on the electronic ignition unit's a bit shabby. So should we have a look at tidying it up? Right, this one is the, what are we? Oh, micromounts. That's a Boyer Bransden kit. Yeah, easy enough to wire up these. They always came with really crappy pre-insulated terminal crimps. Alright at the time, you know, but things have moved on a little bit now. This is a positive frame on this system as well. So, fucking electrical tape. It's the problem with old electrical tape, as you can see after a while it goes all sticky and horrible. So they're my pickups from the coil. What's going on here? Okay, they would have gone to the original coils. Now there's the other pickup there, hiding. Right, so that's my two pickups. What those two are. This red goes off to this coil over here, which also comes out of there somewhere. Where's that one go? That goes back into the wiring loom, I think, so that'll be like the frame supply to that, which is right. That one there jumps across to this coil, and then that one back down the unit. But as you can see, some of these connections are a bit crap. So what I intend to do, chop those off there and we'll solder those together, the pickups, and these I'll put new terminals on and put a new bridging cable on as well. I'll get all that ripped off, we'll get cracking. Right, so this one goes to the ignition switch. Oh god, do just cut these out and we'll re-terminate the lot. Even found my posh cutters, posh strippers. That aren't working. Why are they not working? Come on, Mr. Nipex. That's better. Okay, that don't want to strip. There we go. The heat shrink. Where's the heat shrink? On there. Well, fingers and thumbs today, aren't I? Well, that hold, well, I can get some solder on it. It should do. Question is, did that get it? Yeah, we got it. No sharp bits. Oh, there is a sharp bit there. Let's get that snipped out. There we go, one done, several to go. I won't bore you with me doing the rest of them.
15 minutes later.
So that's all my pickups done. Next thing to do is the coil connections. Right, so this one here comes from the frame, which is your positive supply, and this one comes from the ignition unit. I think what I'm going to do, pull them off of there, like that, and I'm going to splice those two together and then run a fly lead off for the coil. That dead good grommet that's down there, I'll try and shove back in later on. Right, okay then. I'll tell you what, we'll bring that up through that grommet together. Seems as we're having a wiring tidy up, might as well do it all properly, hadn't I? Properly here. Where are you going? Stay there. Stay. Stay. There we go. Get it? That's got it. Lovely job. Chop that off of there. Here we will have a spade connector. If anybody knows of a good crimp tool for these flag spade things, please let me know in the comments. I always find these a bit fiddly because my tool doesn't quite fit in there.
One eternity later.
There we go. That got it? Yeah, we're on. Not my greatest piece of work. So I traded as an electrician for about 12 years as well. Yeah, that says a lot, doesn't it? Come on. Come on. Righty. Let's pull that HT lead off of there for now. Give ourselves a bit of room. And we will plonk that one up there, like that. That's on there. I'll do the same again for that one. And I also need to repair that little piece in there. Don't know what happened there. Might have even been me with the soldering iron getting a bit carried away. Just stick a bit of heat shrink on that.
A few moments later.
Right, next job is to do the bridging cable between the two. I just snip that off there. Just pull it all the way out. Yeah, look at the state of that. Not very good, is it?
1 minute later.
And there we go. As if by magic. All I'm going to do, I'm going to feed this one over the top. Should we go around the back? Should we go around the back or the front? Should we come under here, come under all the caggage, like that. That one just clip it on there. That'll do. Put that HT lead back on now. Fucking electrical tape. Look at that horrible stuff. Right, stinking crap. Look at this. Fingers are covered in the glue now. Right, so I'm going to tidy this wiring up a little bit. What I have got is some loom tape, which is like a fibre backed tape. When I can find the end. Is that the end? I don't know. I think it must be the end. It has to be. Go in. Give me a minute.
3 hours later.
There we go. Finally got it. Problems with these rolls, especially when they're new. Well, not new. Well, it's for quite a while. Give it a couple of wraps on the end. That's that bit tidied up. Anywhere else needs it? Yeah, look at all this crap here. Let's sort that out. Right, so this other white wire, this loose one, part of the original point system, goes back to the switch. I think all I'm going to do is chop it off, fold it back on itself, get a little bit of heat shrink. That'll do. All we're going to do is just shrink that on there. That's that tidied up. Right, I'm going to have a quick glance over everything else. And I think we're good to go. Right, that's everything taped up as best we can, really, sort of tidied up a little bit. I have taped a bit of old inner tube to the back of that, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to cable tie it to part of the battery clamp. That battery clamp there. So it just takes a bit of vibration out of it or anything like that we might get. So I'll get that sorted out and get everything tucked away.
1 minute later.
That's looking a hell of a lot tidier. I didn't end up cable tying that to there because it's been a bit fiddly. Everything's pushed away neatly in there now, all tidy. Slight cock up there, I should have passed that cable through or behind that bracket rather in front of it, but hopefully I can get it in with a battery. It won't damage it. So I'll get the battery back in, see how everything looks.
A few minutes later.
There we are then, that's all the wiring tidied up, battery back in. I think I might invest in a new battery strap because that's looking a bit bunted. Shall we see if she starts?
3 hours later.
Right, she fires up. I'm happy with that. I'm not going to take her for a run out because I've got no seat on there, which has been recovered at the moment by Rabbit. So, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.